Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review, but it isn't a fragrance review. It is a bag review, and it's of the Louis Vuitton bag that I have. But first, my scent of the day is Gucci Guilty. I really love this scent. So if you are a fragrance lover only, you may not want to watch this video, but I promise there will be fragrance content soon to come. But if you are new to my channel, I do fragrance reviews, luxury unboxings, reveals, and reviews. So today I'm going to talk about my Louis Vuitton bag. This is the Louis Vuitton Congo PM Messenger bag for men. Let's try to get a thumbnail. See if that'll work. Okay, so this bag was produced in 2007. And it's a great bag, a really casual bag. In my opinion, this is like the best bag that Louis Vuitton has ever produced for a guy. And I will also do a quick what's in my bag at the end of the review. So there are three compartments. First, there is a leather buckle. There are three openings depending on how secure you want your bag. So I'll go ahead and open the bag. And this is the Vachetta leather in canvas and monogram. There are three pockets. The first pocket is this netting. It's like a dark army green color. There's a snap closure. And then secondly, there is a slip pocket right there. And then there is a larger compartment for all of your essentials. Just one pocket, no other pockets on the inside. And there are four buttons inside, and that is for a particular reason. It comes with this waterproof pouch, and you just can insert and snap it in. So that's what that looks like. And I don't know why you would really need this piece. I think it's just like a cute, novel idea that Louis Vuitton came up with, but yeah, that comes with the bag, and I never use it, but it's nice to have, I guess, if you want to put something that maybe would leak into your bag. So, like I said, there are three compartments. So, in the first compartment, it's really perfect for an SLG that you want to show off or get to easily. So I just have my YSL card holder. I'm loving this. The pockets are really tight, which is good, but I hear once you use it more, they loosen up a bit. So that's the first thing in the first pocket. And then in the second pocket, I just have a lip balm. And this is the Hollipop Jellylicious Lip Balm by Holika. And this is a Korean lip balm, and these are the best. They're really moisturizing, so I have that, and it's in the flavor soda. Really nice. Okay, and then in the third pocket, you can see there I have first my Louis Vuitton zippy coin purse in the Epi denim. Then the next thing I have is my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder. And the 6-ring is perfect for large key fobs. I hate when I have to flip my key fob outside of the key holder, but this one, it fits perfectly. And I have my house key. And I have this in the vernis. This is in the color Amaranth. So I have that. Love that. Okay, next I have my round coin purse, Louis Vuitton. I always have coins, so I always use that. And then the final thing, I just have an empty pill container. I always keep my medicine in this. Like when I go to dinner, I just use an old pill container and I take my medicine. So that's all I have. So this is the bag. This is a great bag for men. It can also be unisex if a woman wants to be a little less fancy and more casual. This is perfect. It's a safari themed bag, hence the name Congo. The strap is really long. I'm 6'2", and at the longest I can get this maybe 3 inches below my hip. So at the longest, the length of this strap is 26 inches. So it's really long. So if you're a tall guy, you can really use this bag. I use it crossbody. You can also use it on the shoulder, but I always wear my bags crossbody, and I really love this bag. So I looked on YouTube before, and there's no one that has ever done a review of this bag. So maybe I'm the first. So if you're interested in it, I would definitely try to find it on the pre-loved market. On eBay, there are a few of these for sale, and depending on the condition, the prices are between $600 to $1,600. So and these are Japanese sellers. I didn't get mine from a Japanese seller. I've had mine for a couple years, but it's really functional, really stylish, and I love it. I wish Louis Vuitton would do bags that are more aesthetically pleasing, in my opinion, when it comes to men's bags. I heard one guy say that he feels that the LV is a feminine kind of a print, but how can a man's initials be feminine? That just makes no sense to me. So yeah, this is the Congo PM. There's also a GM if you're wanting a bigger bag. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, just comment below and I will get back to you, and I will see you in the next video. All right, take care.